1. Transform the Kallax shelf into a stylish entryway bench. Just add a cushion and some cool baskets underneath, and it becomes both a seat and a storage spot. 2. Use the Ribba picture ledges as floating spice racks. Great for keeping your kitchen neat and your spices within reach. 3. Make a built-in library wall from a Billy bookcase. All you need is some molding and a fresh coat of paint for a custom, pricey look. 4th. Hang Frosta stools upside down as plant holders. They give your space a trendy Scandinavian feel. 5. Attach legs to a lac shelf to create a sleek coffee table. It's minimalist, clean, and super affordable. 6. Paint the Ivar cabinet with bold colors and mount it on the wall. It turns into modern wall art with hidden storage. Turn the Roscog utility cart into a chic bar cart. Spray paint it gold or black, add some glass holders, and you're all set. 8. Use the Beckvem spice racks in the bathroom for storing toiletries. They're compact and ideal for small spaces. 9. Combine Kallax units to create a luxurious window seat. Add custom cushions and it becomes a cozy reading corner. 10. Add leather pulls to Malm drawers. This instantly gives the whole piece a high-end look. 11th. Use IKEA pegboards as a headboard. You can hang plants, photos, or lights. It's totally customizable. 12th. Mount a lac shelf above your doorway for displaying books. Perfect for small apartments where space is limited. 13. Cut a lac table in half and use it as wall desks. Ideal for kids' study areas or minimalist workspaces. 14. Use the Fintorp system to make a hanging herb garden. Fresh herbs right with a padinare ack and it looks beautiful. 15. Transform a Tarva dresser into a rustic console. Sand, stain, and add some vintage hardware. Padinare. Turn a Stuva bench into a stylish shoe station. Add labels for each family member to keep the entryway organized. 17. Make a coffee station from the Hemnes nightstand. Drill holes for cords and hide appliances inside. 18. Use a Norraker bar table as a standing desk. Add industrial legs for a more rugged look. 19th. Upgrade basic shelves with wallpaper backing. It adds texture and pattern without much effort. 20. Build a small kitchen island using 2 Kallax shelves and a tabletop. 21st. Paint the lac shelf in ombre tones for a bold decor statement. It's easy and looks great on social media. 22. Create a pet feeding station from an IKEA step stool. Cut holes in the top and place the bowls inside for a clean look. 23rd. Build a wardrobe wall using multiple PAX units. Add lighting strips inside for a luxurious feel. 24. Convert a Beckvem step stool into a side table. Paint it, add a glass top, and now it's multifunctional. 25. Use IKEA drawer dividers to organize your makeup station. 26. Spray paint cabinet handles gold for an instant upgrade. 27. Make your own pendant lights using IKEA baskets. It's very boho chic. 28th. Create a floating vanity with a small EKBY shelf. Add a mirror and a stool. It's simple but elegant. 29th. Use IKEA picture frames as custom art pieces. Insert fabric swatches, maps, or personal quotes. 30. Stack Billy bookcases with feet and trim to look like high-end cabinetry. 31. Add peel and stick wallpaper to the back of glass door cabinets. 32nd. Build a cat tower using the lac table and carpet pieces. 33rd. Make a minimalist hallway console from a shoe rack. 34th. Upgrade the Turnaby lamp by swapping the shade. 35. Use a clothes rail as a hanging herb or kitchen utensil organizer. 36. Create a floating media center with besto cabinets. 37. Make your own wall-mounted desk using an IKEA tabletop. 38th. Add LED strip lights under IKEA cabinets for a nice ambiance. 39. Turn an IKEA rug into a wall hanging. Just hang it with a curtain rod for a cozy feel. 40th. Use IKEA storage cubes as plant stands for a modern indoor garden. 41st. Combine IKEA trays with legs to make stylish lap desks. 42nd. Use IKEA wine racks for storing towels in the bathroom. 43rd. Add mirrors inside PAX closets to reflect more light. 44. Make an open pantry with Haney shelves. 45th. Turn a Lazy Susan into a rotating skincare station. 46. Paint chair legs and add faux fur for a high-end look. 47th. Build a low-profile bed using IKEA kitchen cabinets as a platform. 48th. Create a breakfast nook with corner benches and a small table. 49th. Add molding to IKEA wardrobes to mimic traditional built-ins. 50. Finally, personalize everything. Paint, trim, hardware. It's the little details that make IKEA pieces feel uniquely yours.